In this video, I'm going to show two different ways to do headers and footers in Excel. So your first option is to change to the page layout view, which looks a bit like Word, and you see a header area and a footer area at the bottom, and each of them have got a left, middle, and right box where you can simply type data in, whatever the data may be. And you also get these options here, header and footer, and this is where you can insert pre-generated headers and footers, and you can see it just adds them there. Alternatively, you can insert a page number, for instance, or you can write the word page yourself, and then the code, insert the code, and then it will say page 1 like it does here. You also have the option to put in the date, to put in the time. It's a good idea to check these things, because now, of course, we didn't put a space, so it hasn't shown it correctly. You can insert the file name, file path, the sheet name, and it just inserts the thing, the code, and as soon as you click off it, it shows the actual data. You can also add pictures and all of that sort of thing. You can have a different first page and different odd and even pages if you have a longer document. If we go to the footer, we can also insert the same things there, and there's also preset footers as well. You'll notice you can't click back to the other view if you're already in a footer. So if you just click on in the document or in one of the cells, then you can change views again. Your other option is to go to page layout or page setup and open up the page setup dialog box, go to header and footer. And you can see it's already populated it with what I've got there. And then you can also insert the headers and footers this way as well. And again, it's got the same options there. And then you can print preview or print it straight from here.